my channel. My name is Tracy, and for today's tips and tricks video I wanted to show you how to set up your stamp sets when you get them. So this is a celebration item. It is a free one during celebration. For a $90 order here in Australia you can choose this one for free. It is a cling red rubber stamp. So let me open it up and I'll just show you what comes inside. So inside you get your red rubber stamps, and then you're going to get your labels that go on. Now these are the new cling stamp sets, so they're super sticky to our acrylic blocks and they're really easy to pop together as well. So our sticker sheet has one side where there is no slits in, and then it's a more shinier side on the other side where you can see the slits in between the stamps, so just to make it really easy to start peeling those backings off. So what we're going to do is we're going to punch every stamp out of our red rubber backing. You want to be careful with this. You can still break your stamps if you're too rough. So this is a 5-piece stamp set. It's a birthday set, but this is a really great wedding cake too. Okay, so we've just taken all our stamps off our backing. The next thing we're going to do is on the back of each stamp is some sticky backing. We're going to peel that off. So now we have a sticky surface. Now if you didn't want to put these labels down, you can stick that straight down on the acrylic block and pull it off. Again, it's not going to hurt it at all, but it helps to position your stamp when you're stamping if you have the stickers on there. So let's place that down. I have the stamp here that we're going to be put our backing on, so I'm just going to take the backings off on both sides to expose that sticker. Okay, so I'm going to place that down on the table. I'm going to place this over the top, and I'm going to be careful to make sure that I've got it evenly all the way around. Okay, and then I'm just going to press down. That will then pull up that sticker. Perfect. Let's do the others, and then I'll show you how they stick onto the acrylic blocks. So we have the happy birthday. This is a really simple tip, but if you're new to stamping you might not know how to pop your stamps together, so this is a tip for you. Once again, just hovering over, making sure that I'm over the sticker in every spot. Press down, pull off. And this has a gorgeous little splatter to the stamp as well. Now there's a couple of ways that you can pop this back into your stamp set. You can either take the backing off the base and pop that straight down inside your case. That way you'll know what one you're missing if you're missing. What I tend to do is I just place them straight down inside the stamp case. You'll know at the front it says how many, so you'll know if you're missing one. You can just count them all up, but up to you. I've done both. I've done this way for a long time. I choose to do it this way now just for ease for me. So let's bring one of those blocks in, and we're just going to place this down. I want to show you how well this works. Okay, that is not going to go anywhere. That is so super sticky. You could clean that, you could stamp so many times, and that's not going to go anywhere. Now you will have to be careful when you're taking it off the acrylic block, You need to be able to get in and underneath the sticker that we've just placed there. The other thing that you can do is by grabbing your Take My Pick tool and that spatula, you can use that to get in and underneath to lift it up. A lot of people use the Take My Pick tool for that reason as well. So really great idea once you get your stamp sets to do all this, because when you are stamping into small areas with the stamp labels already on, you're going to know exactly where you're stamping on the card. If you don't have the labels, you've just got the outline, you've got no idea where the sentiment is going to go if you've got sentiments inside the stamps. So really great tip. So I hope that this helps you when you get your stamp sets if you're new. Even if you're not new, you might not have done this previously, because our backings used to make our stamps fall off the acrylic blocks quite a lot. So a lot of people stopped popping those stickers on. Okay, thank you so much for joining me today for today's tips and tricks. I hope it's helped in some way. I'll be back tomorrow with a great card class, so hopefully you can join me for that one. Until next time, have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.